Hello, my friends. Well, if you were watching Junk Journal July, you would know that I had a little giveaway for some postcards that I had created. So I'm going to do the draw for the giveaway. And the first name I pulled was Carrie Lynn Martin 8799. Now what I want you guys to do is email me at jovi.50000@gmail.com. That same email address is on my, like that page that you go to on YouTube, the About page, the About Me page. That email address is there, so you can always check it out there. The second name I pulled is Pamela Rush, 5768. If I don't hear from you, I won't send it to you, but if I do, I will pop it in the mail. The third name I pulled is Crafts and Tea with Janet K. Let's see, let's do a fourth one. Since I can send these in flat mail, it won't cost me a bunch, so why not, right? MSE 442. It was so nice during Junk Journal July. I hope I didn't say January in the beginning. Now I think maybe I did. Anyway, it was so nice to meet so many new people during that collaboration. That was awesome. Kathy's favorite things. Now, if I know you, like Kathy, I know really well, and Janet K. So don't worry about contacting me. I'll just send it to you because I have your address. Unless your address has changed. And if it has, obviously let me know. This one, I believe, is ILA Kaiser, K-A-I-S-E-R, 3778. I just keep pulling names. Let's see who else we have. Let's see, Savannah Evans, 9551. All right, let's see who else. We might just pull all the names. Let's see, I like to be generous when I can. Crafty CS 8917. A lot of new names for me, very exciting. Veronica Christie, hi Veronica. I put your name on there. You know what? When I see your channel name, I automatically go to your actual name. So I apologize I didn't call out your channel name. Julie Sheely, 8466. And is this the last one? Last but not least, Nava Sapphire. So again, just email me with your address and I will send your postcards to you. All right, my friends, thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for participating in my giveaway. And thanks for watching. See you soon.